life cycle?
Good morning, class. I'm Dr. Perez, a veterinarian. I treat sick or injured animals. Today we will learn about the life cycle of different animals, including humans like you.
What is a life cycle?
Do all animals undergo life cycles?
Yes, all animals undergo life cycles. A life cycle is a series of stages which living organisms undergo. Some have several stages while others have only 3 stages. Have you wondered how human beings like you grow? Development starts when you were born until you reach 1 year old. This stage is called infancy.
What do we experience during this stage?
During this stage, you are dependent on adults. You ask for food or milk. You love playing. And most of the time you are taking a nap.
When do we start playing alone?
You start playing and enjoying time with your playmates when you reach childhood. During childhood, you start going to school and you can do things on your own.
We are now at the childhood stage. We do things on our own.
As you reach 12 years old up to 18 years old, you will experience significant changes in your body. You will look like grown-up men and women. That's the adolescent stage. Some may experience it as early as 9 years old, while others experience it later than 15 years old.
At what stage are our mom and dad?
Just like me, your parents are in the stage of adulthood. People at this stage are already developed in all aspects. They can have their own families and think and decide on their own. The last stage of human life is old age. Have you seen your grandma and grandpa? What did you notice about them?
They already have gray hair and they move very slowly.
At this stage, people experience weakness of the bones and some illnesses. They also become more sensitive. They need more attention and love. A human being's life cycle starts with infancy and ends with old age. Animals like chicken, frog, and butterfly have simpler life cycles compared with human beings. The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages: egg, larval, pupal, and adult stages. The life cycle of a butterfly starts when a female butterfly deposits her eggs on plant stems or leaves. A developing caterpillar can be found within the egg. When it is ready, the caterpillar leaves its egg. When the caterpillar is completely developed, it becomes a pupa or chrysalis. When the butterfly is ready to emerge, the protective covering enclosing the pupa splits open and the butterfly comes out. Another interesting life cycle is that of a frog. A frog begins its existence as a fertilized egg. An egg hatches into a tadpole. The froglet stage is the 3rd stage of the frog's life cycle. The lungs, as well as the 2 front legs, develop at this period. The adult frog is the 4th and final stage of a frog's life cycle. An adult frog is completely capable of leaving the water and living on land. The frog's tail disappears completely.
Oh, it means that frogs only develop their lungs when they become adults.
Yes, because young frogs look like fish. That's why they use gills in order to breathe in water. Another type of life cycle is that of a bird, particularly the chicken. A chicken's life cycle only has 3 stages: egg, chick, and chicken. It begins when the hen lays an egg. A chick hatches from the egg. The chick grows up and develops throughout time into a chicken. As simple as that. I hope you learned a lot from today's discussion. See you soon, kids!